Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I'm going to discuss what is the difference between primary key, foreign key, and a unique key in SQL. So these are the constants, obviously, that are used to enforce the data integrity. So, but the purpose is different. So primary key is used to ensure that uniqueness and non-nullability in a column. Okay, each table can have only one primary key. We cannot have more than one primary key for a table. Primary can consist one column, or it can be created from multiple columns. If it is created from the combination of multiple columns, in that case we will say that key is a composite key. In some RDBMS, what it does when we create the primary key, it creates a unique cluster index in many databases, meaning like SQL Server. If we take an example, so when we create a primary key in SQL Server, it creates the unique clustered index on the column. Then if we come to foreign key, it is used to establish a relationship between two tables. There are four types of relationships: one to one to many to one, and many to many kind of relationships. But many to many we cannot use because we won't be able to define the primary key where the values are duplicates. So ensure foreign key ensures the referential integrity, meaning if there is a relationship between two tables using the primary key and foreign key, and if primary key records are deleted, what should happen with the foreign key table records? So you can define that using the referential integrity. And foreign key column can be null unless it defined as a not null. Then if we come to the unique key ensures the unique values in the column. But unlike a primary key, a table can have multiple unique keys. Meaning, for a table, we can have only one primary key, but we can have multiple unique keys. It allows null values. Primary key do not allows null values. But in some databases, like MySQL, where multiple nulls are allowed. Okay, so meaning, but yes, the meaning is unique key allows null value. This is what we are supposed to consider. Now let's understood the difference. The definition we can understood very easily. A column or a set of column that uniquely identify column that creates a relationship between two tables is nothing but foreign key, and a column that ensures the unique values in the table but allows one null value in that column is nothing but unique key. Uniqueness must be unique for every row. Primary key is meaning it must be unique. Foreign key can have the duplicate value. It is not necessary to have the unique values in that column, where whatever the column we have defined as an foreign key. In case of unique key, it must be unique for every row. Null values, primary key do not accept null values. Foreign key can have null values if it is not restricted by using the not null constraint. Then unique key allows null value, only one null value. It maybe varies by the DBMS. Maybe MySQL allows multiple null values in case of unique key. So the number of keys per table, primary key uh, can be only one per table. Otherwise, we can have the multiple foreign keys. We can have the multiple unique keys for a table. Relation to other tables, it defines the unique records in the table. Relation to other tables. Okay, so foreign key references the primary key of another table, while primary key defines unique record in the table. And in case of unique key, no direct relation to the other table, meaning we cannot use the unique key. We can use unique key for the reference purpose, but that will not be a strong like primary key. So this is all about the primary key and foreign key. I hope you understood what is the difference between primary, foreign, and unique key. I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Happy learning.